and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how to create a realistic frame mockup with the help of Photoshop. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Here we have our mockup and here is the image that we'll add to it. Go to the mockup document and from the toolbar select the rectangle tool. Draw a shape around the white canvas of the frame. When done, change its fill to white and change its stroke to none. Now, right-click on the shape layer and convert it into Smart Object. Here, we'll place our image. So, let's rename it first. Double-click on it and a new document will open up. Here, just drag and drop or paste your design. Go to the design, unlock it, go to edit, copy and paste it in the document. Press Ctrl or Command T to adjust it. When done, go to File and click on Save. As you do that, you'll see that our image has been applied to the mockup, but it's not looking that realistic. So, to add the highlights and shadows, what we'll do is simply change its blending mode to multiply. And there we have a realistic mockup created within no time. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.